Hi everybody, it's Dan. I'm assuming that you might have some time on your hands, so I wanted to share some of my favorite design-related reading. I'm going to start with Process, Materials, and Measurements. This is a book written by CIA industrial design faculty primarily. You should have this digitally. There's also an updated version called Industrial Design Reference and Specification Book. So that's useful reading. Another one, this is one of my all-time favorites. It's called Design for the Real World by Victor Papanek. This is a really excellent book. Some parts of it are a little dated, but it's still very useful. It's a good read, fairly easy read, lots of useful information. There are two books that are more architecture and urban planning related, but I like them just to expand the way I think about design. The two books are, the first one is The Geography of Nowhere by James Kunstler, and then the follow-up book is Home from Nowhere. This identifies problems, this identifies solutions. I actually like Geography of Nowhere better, but they're both good reads. Incidentally, I forgot to mention Victor Papanek. When I was a student, he came and spoke to my class. Another good one is The Design of Everyday Things. I think there's a new version that's called something different. This is by Donald Norman. I was fortunate to run into Donald Norman at a design conference, and he critiqued an award-winning design, and his critique was harsh. Anyway, good read about the way we interact with things. Another favorite is Cradle to Cradle, all about sustainable design. This one I have a photocopy of because I think I lent it to someone and it didn't get returned. Anyway, The Toaster Project is about a graduate student's quest to build a toaster from scratch. It's a very interesting read about how a technology builds on the next technology or the previous technology, and so on and so on. Research methods for product design, useful reference if you want to learn a certain research technique. And I just got this one and I really like it. It is How to Draw by Scott Robertson. And I got it just for reference for new techniques. It looks very good. I haven't used it. I've only had it for a couple days, but it looks like a great book to reference. I will post more as I think of more, and I will also include the names of books and authors in an email in case you're interested in getting them. Take care.